Hi, my name is Rahul Srivastav and I welcome you all in this video of commercial credit. Now in this video, which is going to be a short video, we are going to learn very important aspect on how to access balance sheet and details of the company free of cost through Ministry of Corporate Affairs website. Now whatever I am learning or gaining knowledge, that I am sharing with you people so that everyone gets benefited. So without any further delay, let's start our video. Now suppose first we'll understand what is the purpose of making this video. Now sometimes it has been observed that the financials submitted by the borrowers are sometimes fabricated. How to check the genuineness of those fabricated balance sheet? So here comes the role of MCA website. How is it going to help us is what we are going to learn and apprise in this video. So first and foremost, what you need to do is you need to go to Google and you have to type over there MCA, means Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Now by default it will show as mca.gov.in. Here you need to click on this URL and then you need to drop down and go to MCA website, and I'll click on this. Now once you click on this, a new screen will get open which will show something like this. Now over here I will go to MCA services and then master data and then view company or LLP master data. I'll simply click on this. Now suppose let us say this is just an example of how to ascertain the details of the company. I don't know the CIN number of that company. So what I will do is I will go to search option and I'll simply type the name of that company. Now suppose this is just for an example. Suppose we'll search for BVG India. Now suppose this is the name of the company. We'll click on search option and then now this is no way that any company is submitting fabricated documents or something like that. This is just an example to show you how to verify the genuineness of the financial submitted by any of the company. This company is just for an example. So here once you have clicked on this and you clicked on search option, the name of the company along with the company ID has been displayed. Now here why it is showing as 1? It is showing as 1 because there is only one company named on this. So I'll click on this company and then automatically it has fetched the company's CRN, which we will copy for our further reference, and then we will write the CAPTCHA. Now once I click on submit, see all the details it has shown me. Now what are the details is we are going to apprise one by one. See, first it is showing me the company and LLP master data. So first here it is showing me what is seen. Here you can see what is sin. So sin here is you, this one. So what is this? U means whether it is listed or unlisted. Now next, this character, it shows the borrower code. What is the business code of that company, particular company? Now next one is PN. PN means in which state it is situated or registered. So PN basically I guess here it would be meaning Pune. Had it been K, it would be Karnataka. Now next one is 20002. What does this designate? This designates the date of incorporation when this company was established. Okay, PT or PL. PL, what does this designate? PL or PT designates whether it is public listed, whether it is non-profit, or whether it is foreign company or any other type of company. Now Next one is, what does this last 4 digits designate? This designates the registration number of the company. What is the registration number of that particular company? Got it? Next, it tells us about registration number, company category, whether it is company limited by shares or what, company subcategory, whether it is non-government or government, or foreign company or non-profit company, class of company, public, private, etc. What is the authorized capital of that company? Authorized capital means how much maximum capital it can authorize, it can issue. Paid up capital. Paid up capital means here you will get the details of equity plus preference, but here you will not get the detailed bifurcation. For that we need to check the financials. Now registered address you will get, where it is registered, date of incorporation, the detailed date of incorporation. As you can see here, it was 2002, and here it is 20th of March 2002. The registered email ID of that company, address other than registered address, where all or any books of accounts and papers are maintained, then active compliance, whether it is active or non-active, then date of last annual general meeting held, date of balance sheet last, and company status for e-filing. Next, very important, what are the charges that company has, what type of charges has been levied on that company, means from where it has borrowed the loans from, and what kind of charges has been imposed, what is the status of that charges. You can see here book, debt, movable property, what is the status of that charges, date of creation, and also what is the amount of charge, and date of modification if any. So all the details like movable property, immovable property, motor vehicle, whether it is hypothecated, whether it is pledged, whether it is mortgage, and all the details you will be able to check from here. See, all the details you can be able to check from this. Now last one shows the director signatory details. How many directors are incorporated or are associated with that company, along with their DIN and PAN number, their name, their beginning date, their end date, and their, if any, surrendered DIN number or not. What is DIN? DIN is the code for the directorship. Now here, as you can see, these are the name of the directors that are associated with this particular company. Now if I want to know that, suppose this Mr. is associated with how many other companies, whether he is director in any other companies, then how can I ascertain that particular data? Okay, so that particular data can be ascertained like this. I'll go to MCA services, and then from there I will simply, just a minute, sorry, I'll simply go to this section, DIN and PAN, and I'll simply click on this DIN number. Now once I click on this DIN number, a new screen will get open before me, and here I'll get to know that this Mr. or Mrs. is director in how many other companies. So you can see here, these are all other companies where he is director, along with his beginning date, end date, and his various other DIN numbers or CIN number of the companies. You can see here. Up till now clear? Now best part is that I can export all these details, details into Excel also through this menu. You can see here, file downloaded, and once I click on open, it will I'll get the data in Excel format as well. So this is the beauty of this particular website. All this you are getting the information free of cost. Now if I want to know the details of the loan taken by any particular company, so what I need to do is, I'll simply go to MCA website. I'll go to index of charges over master data, and I'll click on index of charges. Now once I clicked on index of charges, I'll simply paste the DIN number that I've copied earlier, and then here I will simply write down the CAPTCHA, POSENS, and then I'll click on submit. Now once I clicked on submit button, see, this company, particular company, has borrowed from all these banks or financial institutions along with the amount and address of that particular financial institution and date of creation. Also you are getting the details. Yes Bank, Kotak Mahindra, Tata Motors, SBI Trustee, Tata Motors, Saraswat Cooperative and Yes Bank. See the details of this company you can see of the loans. Now if up till now clear, now again if I want to know the details of the director details, now again I need to go to MCA website. Here I'll simply click on view signatory details, and then again I'll simply click on that SIN number. I'll copy this, I'll paste this, and then I will type down the CAPTCHA PAGING and I'll click on submit. Now see the details of the directors, again it is showing before me along with their expiry date of DSC, whether DSC registered or not, whether it has been expired, and date of appointment, their designation as well, their full name along with their DIN, DIPIN or PAN number. Now up till now it is clear to you. Now next, very important, how to check the financials of that company. Financials of the company could be checked by two process. One is by paying 100 rupees, and one if you have already registered or if you have already user ID and password, then directly you can check the financials of that company and you can tally it from the one hard copy which has been submitted by that particular borrower, whosoever it may be. How can you do that? So for that you need to again go to MCA services, and then you need to go to documents related services and then view public documents. Now once I click on view public documents, I'll simply click on company SIN. I'll copy this, I'll paste this, and I'll click on simply submit. Now once I clicked on submit, see name of the company is before you, the state where it is registered, and along with SIN. I'll simply click on this SIN number, and then it will ask me what is the document category you want. I'll simply click on annual returns and balance sheet, and then year of filing. Suppose I want it for 2020. I'll click on this and I'll simply click on submit button, and see here are the details for this. Now if I am having the user ID and password, then I could have easily gone to my workspace, and then I could have entered the username and password along with CAPTCHA, and I could have downloaded this balance sheet from this particular website. Now isn't it a very useful tool for you people to verify the genuineness of the details submitted by the borrower? I hope this video was useful to you. Make use of this video in your day to day practical services. इसके अलावा भी मुझे जो सीखने को मिलेगा, I will definitely share with you people. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. अगर आपको ये इनिशिएटिव अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. इससे मोटिवेशन बढ़ता है, एंड ऑल्सो डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो इन अदर ग्रुप्स एज वेल. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take good care of yourself.